Fresh with another tutorial. Today I'll be showing you guys how to change the theme of your Shopify store. So themes are available under the online store here, and clicking on themes. The top section here shows you the current theme that you have installed. From here, you could do several actions, from previewing the theme, renaming the theme, and downloading the file, or editing the code. If you go to the bottom section here on the theme library, this section here shows you the themes that you've added in the past, but they're not active. If you want to choose from the free themes, you can go ahead and do so. And I'm going to show you how to add a new theme. From here, you select the theme that you want. I currently have this one here enabled. So I'm just gonna go ahead and select this one and change the style, and then click on Add to Theme Library. Now, clicking the theme, when you add it to the library, that doesn't mean that the theme is active. It means that you are basically queuing all these themes here, and you need to activate it once you decide which theme you want to have active. You can also visit the theme store and purchase themes. And once you purchase the theme, they should definitely appear up here on your library. Or if you went to a website where they gave you a zip file as a theme, then you click on Upload Theme, and you browse for the file, and then you upload the theme file, and then it will appear here. So this is the one that I just added. I want to go ahead and activate this theme. But before you do, keep in mind that if you have created from the other theme navigation menus, pages, or even downloaded apps for this theme, all of that code is embedded in this theme here. So when you switch the theme, the functionality might not be the same for everything that you've done to this theme. So I always suggest to select the theme that you want to work with in the beginning and stick with that theme until production or productivity. Otherwise, you may find yourself going back and forth fixing the things that are not working. Okay, so from here, I'm just gonna click on Actions, and then I'm gonna publish the theme. Publishing the theme basically makes the theme active. Okay, it's gonna prompt you if you wanna go ahead and make these changes, and just click on Publish. All right, from here, you could preview the theme. And there you go, that's the new theme already ready to go. All right, well, thank you for watching. If you have any questions, leave them below the comments, and please subscribe to my channel.